Welcome back to Saunders Homestead for Friday, June 30th. Lucky, did we do a lot today or what? What do you have to say? Were you supervising all day long? Yes, you were. Today, if you look closely, let me see if I can zoom in. The windows were completed all the way around the house. We know that the south end ones had already been completed, but on the other sides, they're all done. They're in. Also, if you look at the top of the house, you can see on the other side they've begun putting the ladder attachments out to add the additional foot onto the extension of the roof. And they've also started putting the siding on the east side as well. And Wayne, on the side of the house, on the west that we see, you see the orange beam. That is the ledger board for the front of the house. And we will have a porch that extends halfway across the front, right where that orange beam is. The rafters will sit on top of that beam. And so that is what was accomplished today. Very proud of the work that was done on this hot day. And we'll be back again tomorrow. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, we'd love for you to join. And if you already have, then thanks for watching Saunders Homestead, and we will be back again tomorrow with an update. Stay tuned.